वेलकम टू नॉलेज मंथली। जैसे कि हम FRSR के मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस कर चुके हैं, तो आज के वीडियो में हम करेंगे ट्रैवलिंग अलाउंस के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, traveling allowance is not granted to government employee to reimbursement the expenditure incurred on travel in relation to option A, tour on official duty in public service; second, transfer to another station in public interest; C, visit to hometown excursion to hill station; D, retirement. Right answer is option C, visit to hometown excursion to hill station. Next question, in case of transfer from one post to another, travelling allowance TA entitlement shall be determined on the basis of pay of A, old post; B, new post; C, lower of the two grades; D, none of the above. Right answer is option C, lower of the two grades. Third question, for travel entitlements in case of journey by rail except Shatabdi, Rajdhani, etc., air or road, employees on the basis of their pay in pay level have been categorized into categories. Options are, first option 3, second 4, C 5, D none of the above. So right answer is B 4. अगला सवाल है, ट्रैवल बाय एग्जीक्यूटिव क्लास इन शताब्दी ट्रेन्स एंड AC फर्स्ट क्लास इन राजधानी ट्रेन्स इज अलाउड इन केस ऑफ ऑफिसर्स ड्रॉइंग पे इन पे लेवल. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है 6 एंड अबव, सेकेंड ऑप्शन है 10 एंड अबव, थर्ड ऑप्शन 11 एंड अबव एंड द लास्ट ऑप्शन 12 एंड अबव. राइट आंसर इज लास्ट वन, 12 एंड अबव, 12 एंड अबव. अगला सवाल है फिफ्थ, इफ एन एम्प्लॉय ट्रेवल्स बाय अ हायर क्लास देन द एंटाइटल्ड वन फेयर शैल बी रिम्बर्स्ड फॉर A, the class actually traveled; B, the entitled class; C, the class next lower to the entitled class; D, no fare shall be allowed. Right answer is option B, the entitled class. Sixth question, if an employee travels by a lower class than the entitled done, fare shall be reimbursed for A, the entitled class; B, the class next higher to the entitled class; C, the class actually traveled; D, none of the above. Right answer is option C, the class actually traveled. अगला सवाल है 7, no reimbursements shall be allowed for A, tatkal seva charges in case of official journeys in extreme urgent circumstances; B, internet/e-booking charges for booking through website of Indian Railways; C, service tax, education cess, etc.; D, catering expenses paid separately and not included in fare. So right answer is last one, catering expenses paid separately and not included in fare. अगला सवाल है 8, for travel by own car/taxi in the absence of any notified rates, reimbursements will be allowed at the rate of, पहला है ₹10 per kilometer, B ₹12, C ₹20, D ₹24 per kilometer. Right answer is option D, ₹24 per kilometer. Ninth question, travel by premium trains on official duty, tour, training, transfer, etc. is allowed. ट्रू और फॉल्स में बताना है. ट्रू होगा इसका जो आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, ट्रू. 10th क्वेश्चन, फॉर ट्रैवल बाय ऑटो रिक्शा और ऑन स्कूटर in the absence of any notified rates being available, reimbursement will be allowed at the rate of rupees 10, rupees 12, rupees 20 per kilometer, rupees 24. Right answer is option B, rupees 12 per kilometer. Next question, 11th. For travel by road between places connected by rail, normally the reimbursement shall be allowed for A. Actual road mileage, B. Fare entitlement by train, C. Road mileage limited to fare entitlement by train, D. None of the above. Right answer is option C. Road mileage limited to fare entitlement by train. 12. In case of air travel by a non-entitled officer, reimbursement shall be allowed for A. Mileage allowance for travel by rail or road or steamer as per his entitlement. B. Fare for Rajdhani or Shatabdi train if available on the same route and the officer is entitled to travel by it. C. Actual airfare if less than fare for Rajdhani or Shatabdi train. B. That all the three options are correct. So right answer is option D. A, B, C सारे सही हैं. Option D इसका correct answer होगा. 13. Air tickets may be purchased. First option. Directly from booking counters or website of airlines. B. Authorized travel agents, which is Balmain Lorry and Co and MS Ashok Travels and Tours. C. Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. अगला सवाल है 14. Daily allowance is allowed to compensate for the incidental expenditure and the hotel rent at outstation where applicable. True or false में देना है. इसका जो आंसर होगा वो होगा ट्रू. ए, ऑप्शन ए. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. 15. DA will not be allowed for A. Any absence at tour station regularized by special casual leave due to disturbance, curfew, etc. B. Sundays while on tour. C. Holidays while on tour. D. Leave while on tour. Right answer is option D. Leave while on tour. 16th question. Local journey includes A. Journey on duty within 8 kilometers from duty point at headquarters. B. Journey on duty within limits of suburbs or municipality or corporation or notified area cantonments contiguous to the place of duty even beyond 8 kilometers. C. Journey on duty in the urban agglomeration in which the place of duty is situated. D. All of the above. Right answer is option D. All of the above. अगला सवाल है. Additional TA shall not be allowed if family household effects are left behind due to पहला ऑप्शन non-availability of government accommodation at the new place of posting. B. Government accommodation having not been constructed at the new place of posting. अगला ऑप्शन non-acceptance of government accommodation allotted to the employee. Last option any other genuine reason. इसका जो सही आंसर होगा वो होगा ऑप्शन सी. नॉन एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ गवर्नमेंट अकोमोडेशन अलॉटेड टू द एम्प्लॉय. 18th question. An employee carrying personal effects by road between places connected by rail is entitled to A. Actual expenditure on transportation by road. B. Amount admissible on transportation by rail and an additional amount. B. Higher of A and B above. D. Lower of A or B above. Right answer is option D. Lower of A or B above. 19th question. For the purpose of traveling allowance TA on transfer, family has the option to travel. First option. From old headquarters to new headquarters. B. From any other station to new headquarters. C. From old headquarters to any other station. D. Any one of A, B or C above. Right answer is D. Any one of A, B or C above. 20th question. For the purpose of TA on transfer, family must perform the journey not later than 1 month after the transfer, 3 months after the transfer, 6 months after the transfer. None of the above. Right option is C. 6 months after the transfer. Option C is correct. अगला सवाल है 21. In case of any employee transferred due to shifting of headquarters, TA for the family members and carriage of personal effects may be claimed within 6 months after the transfer, 9 months after the transfer, 12 months after the transfer या फिर कोई भी नहीं. Right option is 12 months after the transfer. अगला सवाल है 22. An employee under temporary transfer is entitled to, options are TA and DA as on to. Second option, actual transit time as on to. C. Advance pay. D. Only A and B is correct. So right answer is D. Only A and B above. 23rd. When an original transfer of more than 180 days is later reduced to less than 180 days transfer, TA claim shall not be changed to the disadvantage of the employee. Right answer is option A, true. Okay. TA or DA on retirement is admissible in case of A. Temporary employees who have put in not less than 10 years of service. B. Employees who resign from service. C. Employees who are dismissed or removed from service. D. Employees who are compulsorily retired as a punishment. Right answer is option A. Temporary employees who have put in not less than 10 years of service. Last question. If the retiring employee and his family travel from the last station of duty to either hometown or any other place of their choice, they shall not be entitled to, option है A. TADA as a transfer. B. Composite transfer grant. C. Transportation of personal effects and conveyance. D. Joining time. Right answer है option D. Joining time. Thanks for watching.